So one of my fans reached out and said, Karen, I am in love with technology. I love a little bit of techie, but not too much. I do not have a degree. Other than being an agile practitioner, what are some other career opportunities out there that I can explore? So today I'm going to be giving 6 suggestions on some career opportunities that I believe are truly fulfilling and you're still able to earn a decent salary. Let's get started. The first one is being a Salesforce administrator. Salesforce is becoming a very popular customer relationship management platform, and they do need administrators to be able to collaborate with their customers, tailoring their needs to their satisfaction and streamline their processes. The average pay for this role is approximately $80,000 and above. So please look into that. All of the jobs that I'll be talking about, you don't necessarily need to have a degree. However, you need to have the skills, you need to have the competency, you need to have the experience, and you need to have some certification. The second one is data analyst. As a data analyst, what you do is you gather and analyze complex data for organizations so that they can use this information to make predictive business decisions. And the average pay for this role is approximately $80,000 and above. The third role is cybersecurity analyst. As a cybersecurity analyst, you are responsible for managing and protecting the organization's computer systems and networks from cyber threat. And the average salary for this is approximately $100,000. The other one is network administrator. As a network administrator, you're responsible for managing the network for organizations. So you're responsible for managing and supporting organizations' computer network, and the average pay for this is approximately $90,000 and above. The next one would be website designer, website developer. As a web developer, what you do is you create websites, both front end and back end, for organizations, and you earn approximately $100,000 and above. Last but not the least, software developer. As a software developer, you create, manage, test software applications for organizations, and the average pay for this job is approximately $120,000 and above. Again, like I said, what you need is the skills, the competency, the experience, and some certifications. And that is it. Hope this was helpful. If you like this information, please give a thumbs up, follow for more videos. Thank you, and talk to you later. Bye.